I am Mac, and welcome to this course on home automation. I am a mechatronic engineer myself, with a special interest in robotics, IoT, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Other than that, I am a self-learned programmer, so I'm well aware of all of your problems that you face while learning something new. So you don't have to worry, because in this course, we're going to discuss every single information in explicit detail. In this course, we are going to do three different projects. First, we are going to build a Jarvis AI system with different functions like telling us the time, accepting commands, listening to the user. Other than these cool features, it will have the ability to contact your home electronics and control them. The second project we will build is a simple switch app for our smartphone that can control our electrical devices. The third and last project for now will be a voice recognition app for our smartphone that will help us in controlling our electronics using voice recognition. By the end of this course, you will have learned how to communicate with Arduino using Python, how to send data from your smartphone to Arduino, and how to interpret the information. This course is designed in such a way that you can use this course as a base for controlling as many different devices as you want. So this course is designed for beginners. The basic requirements for this course include having the will to learn and having a little bit knowledge of electronics so that you don't harm yourself by accident during the process. So if you're interested, I will see you in the course. Thanks for your time.